Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to learn how to calculate day from the week of the given date. The Gregorian calendar was adopted in 1582. As per this calendar, the day of the date will calculate it as follows. First, we'll know about some notations. Here, N, the capital N, stands for number of the day in the month. The letter M denotes number of month. The C denotes hundreds in the year or the first two digits, and the Y denotes the last two digits of the year. Let me say how. If the year is 220, so here C will denote 20 and Y will denote also 20. This is C and this is Y. Let's say another example. Let's say about 20/03/2019. This is how we usually write date, but here the 3 is March, but when we convert it using these notations, March would become the first number. The March would be the first month. Okay, March would be 1. So at first we have to convert the given year in a particular form. I'll explain it later. Now move on. Here, if the month is March, then the number would be 1. If the month is April, the number would be 2. If the month is May, then the number would be 3, and so on. And it's end at February with numbering 12. Same goes for the days. If the number is 0, then the day is Sunday. If the number is 1, then the day is Monday. If it is 2, it is Tuesday, and so on. And 6 for Saturday. Okay, let's back to the example. So if someone give you the date 20 March 2019, at first we have to convert the month in the form of this table. We have to number the month according to this table. So here the March would become 1. So as per these notations, we would use N. N is what? The number of day in the month, and here it is 20, so we write N as 20. March 03, it's March, and as per this table, March is 1. So, and M denotes the number of the month, so here M is equals to 1. Though it is 3 as usual, but to calculate this we have to write this as this table. Okay, then here also C. What C denotes? The first two digits of the year. The first two digits of 2019 is 20, and the last two digits, which is Y, is 19. So for any given date we have to write this in this particular format. Okay, now let us come to the formula. The formula is D, or date, is equals to N plus box of 2.6 into M minus 0.2 box close plus Y plus box of Y by 4 plus box of C by 4 minus 2 into C minus 1 plus L into box of M by 11 mod 7. This is the formula how we would calculate the day of the week from a given date. So let's calculate some days. Okay, so at first we would calculate what was the day of 1st January 2001. What we do, we would write this as our form, as the form given in the notation. So here January becomes what? Here January becomes here M. Okay, in here what is n? N is the number of the date. N is the number of the day of the month. So here n is 1, m is the number of the month according to the table. So according to the table, m becomes 11. C is the first 2 digits of the given year. It is here 20, and y is the last 2 digits of the given year. Here y is 01, or you can write as 1. Also we see in the notations that there is a L. Okay, I haven't told that before. L is 1 when it is leap year, and L is 0 if it is not a leap year. You know which of the years are leap year pretty well. So let's back to the problem. Here L would 0 as 2001 is not a leap year. Now let's see how we calculate. So just remind the formula, and the formula is D equals to N plus 2.6 multiplies M minus 0.2 box close plus Y plus box of Y by 4 plus box of C by 4 minus 2 into C minus 1 plus L multiplies box of M by 11 mod 7. This becomes N is 1 plus 2.6 multiplies M is 11 minus 0.2 box close plus Y is here 1 plus box of 1 by 4 plus C is 20 by box of 20 by 4 minus 2 multiplies 20 minus of 1 plus L is 0 into box of M is here 11 by 11 box close mod 7. Okay, and it would become 1 plus box of 28.4 plus 1 plus box of 1 by 4 plus it would become 20 by 4 minus 40 minus 1 11 by 1 mod 7. And you know about box function, greatest integer function. If you don't, I'll make a video about it. Now let's see the calculation. It is 1, it is 28, so 1 plus 28 plus 1 30, 1 by 4, box of 1 by 4 is 0 plus 20 by 4 is 5, box of 5 is 5 minus 40 minus 1, box of 11 by 11 is 1 and box of 1 is 1, so it would become minus 6. Okay, minus 6, 35 minus 41 is minus 6, and we can write minus 6 as 1 mod 7. If you don't know about congruence modulo, then I'll make also a video about it, And what the day of 1? 1, the number 1 denotes the day, Monday. So January 1, 2001 was Monday. I'll leave a screenshot for the proof. Okay, let's try another example. Let's find the day of 12th December 2012. Similarly, you can write here in the number of month is 12, it's 12 December. Here December, the month, the December, we denote the month here by 6 as per the table. M becomes 10, not 6. It is 10. C, the first 2 digit is 20 of the year, and Y, the last 2 digit, which is 12 of the year, and L is here. It's a leap year, so L becomes 1. Now let's find the date. Okay, day, here D is equals to N. What is M? N is 12 plus 0.6 multiplies 10 minus 0.2 plus Y. Y is here 12 plus box of Y by 4. Here Y is 12 by 4 plus C by 4. Here C is 20 by 4 minus 2 into C. C is 20 minus 1 plus L. L is 1 multiplies box of M. Here M is 10 by 11 mod 7. It becomes 12 plus it's 26 minus 0.02, it's 25.8, box of 25.8 plus 12 plus 3 plus 5 minus 40 plus 2 into box of 10 by 11 is 0. If you don't know about greatest integer function, I will make a video about it. Okay, don't panic. So it would become 12 plus 25 plus 12 plus 8 minus 40 mod 7. So 20 45 minus 20, it's 17 mod 7. And you can write 17 mod 7 as 3 mod 7, because 7 multiplies 2 is equals to 14, and 14 minus 17 minus 14 is 3, so it would 3 mod 7. So 3 is Sunday, is 0, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So it was Wednesday. I'll also leave a screenshot for the proof. So thank you friends. If you have any query, you can comment me below, and please do like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thank you.